Paying your credit card bills with Bank of America is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. There are several ways by which you can pay your credit card bills with Bank of America. So, on their website or from your mobile, the simple process can be done either way. In case you want to go along our website, for this, log in to online banking. After this, click the Pay Bill tab and then follow the instructions. Now from the Bill Pay menu, make sure to select Manage Pay To or Pay From accounts only if you are paying your bill at any other financial institution. Moreover, you can transfer your money from a Bank of America checking or savings account to your Bank of America credit card. For this, select Transfer Send tab, then choose between My accounts at Bank of America, and then follow the instructions. Let's see how you can do the exact process even on your mobile. So, in order to do this, log in to Mobile Banking app. Here, select your credit card account and then select Make a Payment button. As far as the AI assistant is concerned, you can tap on Erica and say, I want to pay my credit card. So this simple step and Erica will guide you through the whole process. And this is how to pay your credit card bills with Bank of America. Paying your credit card bills with Bank of America comes with a range of benefits. Also, one of the most significant advantages is the convenience it offers. Through Bank of America's user-friendly online platform and mobile app, you can effortlessly pay your credit card bills from the comfort of your home or while on the go.